Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube. Alright, let's begin. To access Incognito Mode on your phone, you just need to select your profile, and there is an option for it. But on a PC, it's a different case, so follow along. First, open an internet browser and search for youtube.com. Now if you go to your channel icon in the top right-hand corner and click on it, you won't see an incognito button. So, in order to enable Incognito Mode, you just need to access the Your Data in YouTube feature. Next, scroll down a little bit and a feature named YouTube Watch History will appear. You can then click on it, select Turn Off from the menu, and then click on Pause to continue. Now, another way of getting Incognito Mode is by enabling the private window tab on your browser and then accessing YouTube. So that's basically how you can turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.